In this chapter, we looked at how to connect Redux to React. We used React Redux to help us connect the Redux store to the React presentation to create a working app. So with our chapter 11, we start off, we have our, let me start with the index. So we have our index where we have our imports, and then we have our document query selector, the container, which we find here in our index.html. And then we have provider where we call our basically our app.js. And then here we have our app.js where we have our import. We imported React Redux, and then we imported our cat.js. So we have the function, the map state to props state. So what it does, it's making the total cost and product name available as props. And then we have the function map dispatch to props. So it has the type of add product. So what it does basically is the add product is our action, and we have the product data is our payload. With the on delete as well, we have the delete product as our action and the product data as the payload. We have connected components where we connect our map state to props and map dispatch to props. We then have our reducer that actually holds our actions. So when we initialize the app with an empty array and a product cost of 0, so when the app starts, it will have a total cost of 0 and a product cut array that is empty, so there won't be any products there. So with our add product as our action, we make a copy of the state, and then the add product is either going to increment, it's going to increment the total cost. So where we have total cost is the state total cost plus we pass into the action product price, and then our product price will be concatenated, so it will have our product name and our product price. With our action for delete product, we will filter through the product cut for that specific product type product that we want to remove, and then it will return a copy of that state with the reduced product price. And then cut is how the cut will look. So we have our add product. So our this props on add product is going to be called when the add product is called. So it's basically going to call this action add product. And then we're going to have a column for product name, for product price, and the hash where it's going to have our, what do we call it, remover, delete, basically remove. And then this props product cut dot map product data, so it's going to map through the product cut to create the array of the product name and the product price. So it'll have the product name and the product price. And then we have the on-click button. So the on-click button is going to be our delete button, where when you press remove, it's going to call my mouse. It's going to call the delete product action. And then at the bottom, we're going to have the total amount. So it's going to be these props, and then the total cost of the whatever is in the array. So here we have the product name, it can be with the total price, which is 1,000, and you add product. It's concatenating the product name and the product price, and then we can add another one with another 1,000. So here's the total cost of 2,000, and then when you click remove, it removes the product name. So that's my chapter 11.